You're watching Fox 13, Tampa Bay's #1 source for news.
The Dunedin Fine Art Center recently celebrated 50 years in the Bay Area. And for much of that time, the center has offered summer camps to the community. And Fox 13 photojournalist Barry Wong highlights some of the different camps that are offered each week.
I did the big purple minion. The eyes are like paint markers. The body is all like paint. And we have to mix some colors to get the color. And then the hair is like a bunch of different like lines. I just really like doing art, and this seemed really fun to do like a big mural.
Go right over that black, so we're not even gonna worry about it. And then we'll get a black paint marker, and we'll do the feet. And then we can outline this guy. This is Mural 1, so it's 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade elementary school students. We work on it Monday through Friday. We do a little bit at a time. Kids come up with the whole idea. We kind of like do a little rough drafts. Everyone gets to add different components to it. And then we work on it throughout the week, and we also work on little side projects.
Welcome to the Dunedin Fine Art Center's 7 summer camps.
And you're making lots of little cereal pieces in your bowl of cereal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Each week we'll have probably between about 120 to about 140.
Is this your dog at home? Anybody need more clay or anything?
We average anywhere from probably 1,300 spots filled to 1,500 spots filled per season.
When your monster is dry, I can give you a skinny paintbrush to do the eyes on it, okay? You're welcome.
Right now we have our 3D camp, our Sizzling Summer Camp. There's a lot of energy in here, fun, creativity, and here we do a lot of upcycle, recycle. This is the fun room because you can get messy, and the children are just creating and full of ideas.
I think the little couple in the corner is really funny with the 2 minions. They're on their first date.
It's nice for the children to learn how to work with other children, and it's also good for them to see what their strengths are. So some of them are really good with like line and detail. Some of them are really good with blending colors. Some of them maybe like come up with these crazy ideas, and like just to see it take shape is really cool.
Super cool to see like how the progress is with the mural and everything, because it's so different than like the beginning of the day, like to the end of the day.
That looks pretty amazing. Your camps remain the same each week, but each week has a different overall theme. So Minions obviously this week, and Minions on first dates in space.
I love their imagination. You never know where it's going to go.
Yeah.
It's always good to find an indoor activity during the summertime.